Alright, siqedelele ke ama-equilibrium. As I said, ukuthi i-equilibrium bafethu ayibuyi izotesta yi-breaker once iyahamba. Only once izobreaker ivayo ingasabuyi, izobuya after so long. So now equilibrium, as I said, it doesn't have to be like this consolidation, it doesn't have to be this steady, understand? But then by looking at the candlesticks, you'll see ukuthi there is something wrong on this consolidation. On this equilibrium we had a trend line, and we had a trend line. So since we had a trend line, this is how you draw a trend line, isn't it? This is our base. This is our base. So Tina now silindele i-breakout group la. Abanye they will see this one as ascending triangle, but then it's fine. Tina siyazitama ascending nama descending avela kuphi makwenze njalo. So it's fine. Hello guys, bashenjala ngithi ya. So it's fine, ningalali bafethu. See la. Alright, so what do you do when you see this? As soon as you wanna create ama lower highs, because when you go to smaller time frame, you'll find ama lower highs. What do you do when you see lower high? You buy. Imagine if you bought it here, then stop loss akho savala. Even if you had the account yaka $5, bungayenza close to 50 with this single trade. Just one. And what the yenze izela yachi pe. Did I identify this thing? Check, I'm on weekly because I'm more combat the importance of equilibrium. Very hambi distance ngakanani la bongayenza $100 even if bona $5 using lot size 0.01. Let's see how many pips. Okay, 16,133. Bongayenza $100 even if no more wins 100, bongayenza close to 90. Let me see how many months ukuthi isukela isuke khona iyofika lephezulu. 1 2 3 months of you holding your account A1, but I know ukuthi majority of you anifuna ukuholda ama account. I mean to say anifuna ukuholda isikhathi. Here's a good opportunity. When the price gets here, what's going to happen? The price will go down. So the same challenges into gosh, nadla kahle kodwa kulungile. Ayikho wrong. So now I think you understand the equilibrium in danger. This one you can also classify it as equilibrium. Let's go and check with the reason. So yeah, the reason for this whole consolidation is this one. Let's try to analyze these things because now we have something like this, then on top we have something like this. So many opportunities shoot young child. you buy here kule equilibrium with low risk. You buy with low risk here. And stop loss sakho bheka. First thing first, whether siya buyer or siya seller, we will start by identifying the base. Then you check ukuthi ngaphezulu kunani. The important part, actually the both sides are important, because sometimes I think you straight, it be steady and accurate like this one. But then when I look at it, I breaking up. When I inga breakanga this side, iyakhomba ukuthi amandla ukuthi buy very high and it will support. So now when you go to smaller time frame, I ain't woman sleep is cut by my phone. My bag we are one key. The equilibrium imbalance. You can see dodges. Dodge is a sign of imbalance. Dodge is a sign of imbalance. Dodges now it's not 2 to 3 dodge. That's imbalance. So now if kuvelele imbalance la, what do? You just recognize, okay, this is what you have to do. Just buy. Because now Sibu support and create an imbalance. The imbalance is a sign of what? Equilibrium. The combo combined. Sometimes it will happen ukuthi kungabi namatoji, kungabi namalo, kube ama candlestick abnormal. Here one. Kube ama candlestick normal in size and everything. But then look at this. The amazing thing about the equilibrium. There. 1, 2, 3, 4. Candlely 1. And to get equilibrium as strong, you need to get 2 to from 3 candles as also athola ku equilibrium azokuvumela ukuthi azokuvumela upaye kahle and confirm the equilibrium accurately. But mawuzithola ikhandle li1 like about 2, awuna something strong to confirm ukuthi vele siyachika la yabona lo. So ngicabanga semibambile lento le ukuze uyitholise grand understand, you must use both the book and the ebook and ama videos, because now there's nothing much engafuna ngintshele yona. Mina into engenzile ngenze ijob yami to go back and back test and do everything and check ukuthi isebenza kanjani, ama disadvantages akhona yini, ama advantages akhona yini, uzuza makwenze njani. You get the point. Look at this. Here's another equilibrium, but let me explain a very short because now short. Very resistance here. Right. The reason for teaching level resistance, if you go back and check, you see this is a sign, a change of direction. But then you know Aiko strong. They want to make to break a creator in consolidation. They could be what the Makandla corner up Ahamberanjan. They were not strong. But then in the Funania's equilibrium is anywhere. Market anyway, even go must stock, yes, paneting about the stock a corner things our trade. Okay, fine. Let's go and check our stock what is was we told at the last video. Is about my stocks.